In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Stripe Express account, 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading over to stripe.com. From the home page, look for the sign in option, usually at the top right. Click that to go to the login page. Enter your email and password and complete any verification prompts your account requires. Stripe often asks for a code from your authenticator app or phone for security, so have that handy. When everything looks good, click sign in to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you should land on the home section of the dashboard. If you're not already there, click home in the sidebar to make sure you're starting from the main overview. Next, we're going to open settings. You'll find the settings gear icon in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Click it to see all your account and product configuration options. In the settings page, scroll down to the product settings section and select Connect. Stripe Connect is the product that powers platforms and marketplaces, and Express accounts are a streamlined account type for your connected users. Choosing Connect here is the key to enabling that flow. Inside Connect, look for the onboarding options. Click into that to configure how Express onboarding will work for your platform. This is where you decide what your users will see and what information they'll provide as they set up their accounts. Next, select the country you're operating in or the country your connected accounts will be based in. Country selection determines required fields, compliance rules, and what documents Stripe will request from your users, so choose carefully. If you're working in test mode, you can safely experiment here. Just remember to mirror these settings in live mode when you're ready to launch. You'll now see a set of options with checkboxes. Read each description and tick the boxes that match your onboarding goals. Things like showing the correct terms, collecting payout details during sign up, or enabling specific capabilities. Keep in mind that stricter configurations can reduce back and forth later by collecting the right information up front. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Save to apply the changes. You should see a confirmation indicating your onboarding options have been updated. That's it. You've set up Stripe Connect onboarding to support Express accounts. From here, your platform can use these settings to onboard connected users smoothly. Quick tip, if you are working in test mode, repeat the same steps in live mode before inviting real users. And if you ever need to adjust requirements as your business changes, just return to settings, open Connect, and update your onboarding options.